Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Today we're going to be doing seafood okra. This is the okra I'm going to be using. And I'm using croaker fish, crab, spinach, mushroom, onions, habanero pepper, red pepper that I say, and I'm using palm oil as well, crayfish, salt, and 2 stock cubes, native Maggi, that's ogiri, varie, ugbori, and I'm using seasoning in here at the seasoning that I already shed, and I'm using this lemon to wash it clean to reduce the smell, and I'm using prawn as well. Everything is fresh. So now we're gonna put it all together by adding the palm oil to my pan. I'm not bleaching, just heating it up a little bit. Add my onions. These onions I didn't blend it smooth, I just chopped it with my food processor, and the pepper and the tatase as well, and I'm going to fry this together for 3 minutes, and that is it. Now I'm going to add my fish, mushroom, native Maggi now, the seasoning. You take it easy so that you don't ruin your fish. And these are my crab, just putting everything inside. Don't forget, I'm making seafood okra. You can use any seafood of your choice. Now I'm pouring in the crayfish, salt, and the stock cube. I'm going to add water to it, and I just let it cook together for 10 minutes. You can see my soup now. Now I'm going to add the prawn to it. Not using everything. So I let it cook 1 minute or 2 minutes thereabout, and I'm going to remove the fish. I remove them because if I'm beating the okra, I don't want to ruin my fish. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please help me build my YouTube channel, Angela's Easy Cooking. Thank you very much. Now I'm adding my okra, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that when I upload any video, you'll be the first one to know, to see it. Now I'm adding my spinach, and like my page as well, and those of you commenting, liking, and loving my dishes, thank you so much. I so much appreciate. Thank you. God bless you all. Now I just added my fish, so I'm just going to let it cook together 3 minutes. Then my soup is ready, and I'm going to be enjoying this soup with amala. It's so easy, and I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. And thank you very much for joining me. This soup came out so yummy, so lekker, as we say it here in the Netherlands. God bless you all for joining me. Thank you, and Merry Christmas. Now we're going to be doing some eating. Bye. See you in my next video.